Do you own a TCL Smart TV and want to get rid of those black bars while watching a TV show, a movie, or any other content in any app? Well, simply follow these steps. First, press this button on your remote control to bring up this menu. Go to this part, click where it says More, and look for the icon image format option, also known as aspect ratio. If you haven't added it yet, simply select it, click Done, and go back. It will then appear here in these last positions. When you click and try to change it, it says cannot be adjusted when auto detect is on. So the next step is to go to the settings icon here, or find it if it's in a different location. Click on it, then click here where it says display and sound, then click here where it says screen settings, and here simply disable the auto detect option. From here, you can change the aspect ratio, which allows you to get rid of those black horizontal bars. Or simply go back to the content you were viewing, click back, then click continue and wait for it to load. There you go, press the menu button again, select the aspect ratio option, and from there you can change the aspect ratio among the available options. Don't worry, when you change the result here, you don't really see how it will look, but for example, when you choose an option like zoom up, click back, and then play the content, it's completely fixed, and that's it. This gets rid of those black horizontal bands that some people find annoying. Another option you could try is going back to settings, then display and sound, screen settings, and the overscan option. This adjusts the picture size so that objects appear bigger, but the edges of the picture are lost. If, for example, an application or content doesn't give you the result you want, you can try this option. However, as mentioned, it can sometimes be annoying because it crops the edges of the image, which isn't ideal, but it could be a last resort if you disable auto detect and the aspect ratio options offered don't produce the desired result. And that's it. I hope these recommendations have been helpful. If you liked the video, click the like button, share it on social media, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.